Let's talk about how a second job can help you with a mortgage. You can always use income from a second job toward your down payment and closing costs. However, you cannot always add it to the income from your primary job to enable you to qualify for a higher mortgage amount. Remember, more income means a higher loan amount when you're getting approved for a mortgage. In general, if you can document that you've had a second job for at least 2 years, we can use this income to increase the amount of money you can borrow. In some circumstances, we can reduce that minimum time period down to 1 year. In this case, you will have to prove that having a second job is not reducing what you're earning from your primary job. Also, it is helpful if you have what we call compensating factors. Excellent credit and substantial savings are two examples that come to mind. If your second job is self-employment or independent contractor work, it is more difficult to reduce the minimum time period to below 2 years. In this case, your second job must be in a related field. For example, let's say your primary job is as a nurse at a hospital, and you take a second job as a contract nurse. In this case, you must file a federal tax return showing a full 12 months of income derived from your new second job as a contract nurse before we can use this income. Finally, be careful when you're switching second jobs. You might risk resetting the 1 and 2 year clocks if you take too long a break between your old second job and your new one. Keep this gap between jobs to a few weeks or less. Second jobs are a great way to help you qualify for a mortgage. Just remember that it might take extra time before we can count this income. Thank you for visiting my channel, Your Mortgage Strategy.